about the portion on Noah from last week.
Okay.
How it talked about a window, but the commentary also said that it could have been a precious stone.
Yes. Yes. Yeah. Total opinions. Yes. Mm-hmm.
Wanted to see what you thought of it. Was it actually a stone, or was it actually?
I mean, my opinion is irrelevant. I mean, the sages in Talmud, one says like this, one said like that. I mean, all of them are words of the living God. I don't have any preference. I mean, the point was that Noach needed light, some kind of light from the outside, and according to some opinions, our sages explained that there were no day cycle, right? So meaning that no sun, no moon, or at least some say no, it was a day cycle, but they were like very cloudy, and there were no light for all of this time during the flood. So this precious this window as a precious stone was actually very helpful to provide light. Of course, they need a lot of light in this ark because it was closed from all around. And just think about it, like about the smell that this poor Noah had to suffer through, right? From all of these animals, they in a small compartments, right? And they go to the bathroom, and he had to shovel all of this bathroom, I think, to the bottom of the ark because there was no way for him to throw this manure right out from the ark. So it was staying there for 1 year. So it's not only the feeding of the animals, and it's not only like proper feeding, there's some what is the word, like nocturnal animals that only eat at night. Others only during the day. They sleep at night. Those all of these the different things. Right? So he was working non-stop, right? And of course light. So that doesn't matter. It was window or this. I mean, it's irrelevant, I think.